This video will demonstrate how to test the VHF omnidirectional range with the TRX. To configure the VOR test, select Tests from the top navigation bar. Under the test list, select Nav, and then VOR. From this page, you can configure the test in various scenarios. Select the desired frequency. Increase the RF level until a valid signal is reached with the navigation system. Select a bearing. Set the direction to either to or from. And turn the 10-20 Hz tone on or off. You can test the fail flags on the VOR by selecting Ref, VAR, or both. This simulates a scenario where the navigation display is not modulating signals correctly. By setting the fail to normal, no fail flags should appear. Select the amount of generated frequency offset. This can be used to perform selectivity testing. Make sure that if you are using an external antenna or a direct connection that the EANT or DRCT tabs are selected. Otherwise, the test will be conducted using the internal antenna. When the configuration is complete, select Run. Refer to the aircraft's navigation display to see if it aligns with the test parameters. Note that you can also modify the parameters on the TRX while the test is running, and the navigation system will react accordingly. The pass-fail criteria will be based on the associated airframe, avionics manufacturer, and regulatory requirements. Once you have successfully run through your testing procedures, select Cancel to conclude the test. You should now feel equipped to conduct your own VOR test with the TRX.